Hi everyone, update number 4 I believe. Okay, as you can see here, all 3 coils are mounted in basically their cages, for want of a better way of putting it. So I've done 3, so let's get rid of 2. Right, turn it side on. As you can see, these lugs here, there to pivot the coil around that point where those 2 holes are. Now that point there is not, I repeat, not the same holes where the shaft goes through. So it pivots around a point that is basically on the outer circumference of the rotor. Okay, so that means that the angle of incidence can be changed. On top of that, the coil moves forwards and back. Have a look here. Spin it around. You forget it. Don't you just hate getting in your own light? There you go. You can just see the nylon nut that I put in the back of the carriage there. That marries up with the panel at the back, and it's pretty much ready for sticking a hole in. So, to just demonstrate further. Oh, bugger. I don't want to do that. Just to make a certain person jealous, there's my pot of core material that's been freshly cut up. And I made the mistake of putting a rotor with magnets next to it. Not such a good thing to be doing. So, let me get rid of that. Right, so, shadows, shadows, shadows. I'm having fun with this one, aren't I? Right, here's the rotor. Right, it's in relative terms, if I line it up for you, it goes about there. More or less. Actually a bit closer. Up there. There you go. That's where it would go with the actual chassis side panels on. So as you can see, the pivot points for the coil angles pivot around basically the outer circumference of where the magnet is. So that's how you change the angle of incidence. That's pretty much where I'm up to. Again, just see if we can get a decent close-up. That'll do. That's all my core material. Needs to be deoxidized and whatnot, so it needs to be dropped in something. So normally I keep that on there and sealed up, at least for the time being. Delay on that is I'm having trouble finding the correct coating for it. What can I say? These things happen. Once I find the coating, I'll have plenty of it for everything that I could possibly want to do. But it's just a case of finding somewhere to buy it from. So that's just a quickie update. As always, any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Bye for now.